So today we're gonna make sushi! Yeah, so we have here some sushi rice.
Yeah.
Sushi algae. Yeah. And then we have some filling. You can use anything you want.
We will use tuna and cucumber.
And some
Philadelphia
cheese cream.
Yeah, cheese cream.
Yeah, and you're also gonna need a bamboo mat for rolling.
Yeah, not really necessary. I did it a couple of times without this, so not really necessary.
Yeah, but it will be better.
Yeah, it will be better
and
easier.
You are also gonna need a bowl of water and a wet towel. And we also need a knife. Let me get the knife. We have a very sharp Japanese knife. You're gonna need the sharp knife. It will be better. Let's put it just there. Okay. So do you wanna start?
Yeah, let's cut.
Yeah, but be sure to not cut the algae.
Yeah, okay.
Just cut it there. And I can make maybe the first one. Oh, and we also need a plate to put the sushis on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get one. So the smooth tide has to be on the bamboo mat and the rough tide up. So we are gonna you have to like wet your hands and then take the sushi rice because it's very sticky. And
you need to leave a little flap so you have where to stick.
We can put do like this and then like slap your hands, like get all the excess water out. Do you wanna? And just get some rice and put it in.
Yeah.
And then
carefully
spread it. And then we can put a little bit more. I think we'll need more.
Yeah.
We can put just like this. And then you can use your fingertips to like spread it. And make sure you leave like a small side here without rice, and also here a small side. I think we're gonna need a bit more. There's so much touch rice.
So, and now we will put the filling inside. First we will do cucumber with Philadelphia.
And also we can also put tuna.
A bit of tuna. Yeah.
A bit of tuna. And then rolling. Okay, so our sushi is ready.
Yeah.
And let's try it. I'm gonna try this. Actually, this one.
Let me try this one.
We have more things.
Yeah, that's delicious.
Yeah, let's try it. This is very good. I really like it. It's like the one you buy from the store.
But only a bit sweeter.
Yeah, a bit sweeter, like the rice. Do you want to try another one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for this one.
I'm gonna go for this one.
Like cucumber and flavor.
Cucumber and tuna, delicious.
Yeah. They're so good. I think they're even better than the ones you buy it. Yeah. You should definitely try doing this.
Yeah.
They are super good and
Yeah.
it's very easy actually. It doesn't take you a lot of time. But yeah, see you next time. Bye!
Bye.
So don't forget to like, subscribe and also share with your friends.
Don't forget, you can always learn with
Learn
us.
with us.
Bye.